Hi there, Tony Esteves coming to you from on top of the Onion here by Bow Lake, which is just over there in Banff National Park. I've mentioned a time or two before that you can meet people kind of anywhere, coffee shop, grocery store, sort of anywhere you can become present by putting your cell phone away and just noticing what's going on around you. And you can also meet people in places like this. So I hiked up to Bow Hut last night, spent the night there, and was just, my heart was overflowing with how open people are, how open these people were to letting me visit. As I was a solo hiker, yesterday I got to play cards with a family and really enjoyed the game of Uno Flip. And I got to meet these three young women from Denmark who are traveling, and one of them has a sister who's getting married. And then I got to meet Nick, who is leading this course with 6 people who are doing some mountaineering, which is something that I may study one day, which is just an example of the impact of talking to strangers, right? You get these ideas of things that you could do to change and improve your life. So feeling extremely grateful to have been in this beautiful place and to have met these lovely people, most of whom I'll probably never see again. But for this moment, this evening, and this beautiful full moon we had, like, oh, it was a real compliment to get to spend time with these strangers in this beautiful place. Do yourself a favor, go connect with people. Do it in a beautiful place if you like. It just might change your life. Wow. I mean, wow. Thanks, Bow Glacier. Thanks, Giant Ice Field. Thank you, mountains.